guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Vikaitis, all I'm from Uganda, the motherland, the pearl of Africa, and I hope you're doing fine. You're doing great. Praise the Lord. You guys, you don't know what I do every time in the morning. Look at that. I come with everything. Look. Like I have everything for myself, like special hair and some Vaseline in the morning, some braids, oil and the combs. My God, oof. This is hair gel. This is a new style, guys. It's a new style wigs. I can't wait to show you when I'm wearing this. Actually, I wear it yesterday and I applied some gel. I decided like to wait for a few minutes, kind of 10 minutes. Yeah. It's a morning, let me know in your country. So it's a morning here in Saudi Arabia. And yeah, let's see how the day goes. Hey guys, sorry about the dirty mirror. I'm gonna clean it. You know guys, it's morning and you guys here, as I'm in rich family, I told you, so I don't have to rush to everything. So in the morning, you guys, I wake up at 10. So after waking up, like I don't have to rush to get out very quickly in the bed like I used in other houses. No, here is very different. So my experience here, I just wake up in the morning, I go take shower. After taking shower, then I dress up my clothes. After dressing up, I go downstairs because in the morning I always prepare Baba's food, like Baba's breakfast. Yeah, so before I prepare the breakfast, I come to this mirror so that I can really see myself organized. Like my hair, I have to actually dress up my hair, I have to prepare everything. I have my new hairstyles. I always do, like I want to look cute, amazing and all that. So that's why these days, oh my god, I'm taking a lot of like I'm taking care of myself, which is the good thing. Yeah, so that's the different from that. I'm not gonna say the word, but this is the different when you're living in the rich family. So yeah, so guys, after here I'll be like cooking Baba's breakfast. Yeah, because I have to do that for my morning routine. So this is kind of my morning routine, guys. Let me think. Oh my god, this mirror needs to be clean. Sorry about that, I have to clean it. So yeah, you guys kindly subscribe, like the video, let me know how you think about my morning routine 2025 in Saudi Arabia. So at this moment I want to show you what I get. Cute, I like it. You guys, let me know. Everyone likes the hairstyle. Don't tell me you don't like it. Everyone like it. Say, oh my god, cute hairstyle. I love it. So cute. Big up to Shein. Big up to Shein. I hope I will be model for Shein because I really love Shein so much. Yeah, so if you're from Shein, let me know. I can be your model. Woo! Let's see how they go.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon, we lay awake and dream. Life's so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild. Moonlight, summer sky, was the best we ever had. We'll stay young forever, we'll never have regrets. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Alright, so this morning what I'm cooking eggs for Baba, and I'm also cooking full. We call it full in Arabic, that is beans, yeah, in English. So I'm also cooking tuna for myself. And actually, you guys, we are many in this house. We are a lot of workers, with over 6 workers in this rich family. So everyone, if he or she wants, prepare the breakfast by herself. So yeah, this is the breakfast for Baba. It's done. We have Arabic codes and everything.